Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the list of phones installed in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So how you can find the list of phones that are being installed in Windows computer. So for this you can use some methods. So say you can have a control panel, right? So just open the control panel. So in the control panel you can see one options here, appearance and personalization, right? Just click on it. Now here you can see your phones, just click on it. Now it will display all the phones that is being installed in your respective Windows computer. So you can see here the entire phones that is being installed or available in your Windows computer. So you can see the phones. So you can change the layout also if you want to see in the list mode or in the details mode. If you want to see in the details mode to know much better about the phone names and what type of phone styles, so you can just see the entire phones, and you can see the total number of phones that is available in your Windows computer is right now, in my case it's 216. In your case it might be different. If you install any third-party phones, then it will show more items or the more phone items in your list. So you can just select it back and move it back. So this is the first way. And the second way, if you are using a Windows 10, then there is also one more way. Just go to the settings. So in the settings, just head over to the personalization again. As you can see here, personalization, just click on it. So here you can see phones, just click on the phones. Now it will display all the phones styles and a list of phones that is being installed in your Windows computer or that is already available in your Windows computer. So if you're using a Windows 7, then you might not get this settings, since this is exclusively only for the Windows 10 operating system. But you can use the control panel option which I have shown you earlier by going to the control panel, appearance and personalizations, and go to the phones, and you can see it if you're using a Windows 7. But this tricks will work for every Windows computer also. Now if you don't feel like searching, going to the control panel or going to the settings, you can do one more way. Just press Windows Win and R to open the run. As you can see, the run box is open. Now just type here phones, just type phones and hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now it will directly take you to the control panel phones option. So it will directly show you the control panel phones list. So by using these methods, you can easily find out the list of phones installed in Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks on how to find out the list of phones installed in Windows computer, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.